That all would be easier if you just ride with me.
I'm not getting in the car, bro.
No, you're gonna get in the car.
I just do the filming.
No, you're gonna get in the car.
What's going on, guys? We got Nick Marshall over here and his beautiful, beautiful, nasty Challenger.
This is a Challenger. It's a Challenger Red Eye 2019.
2019. So what's the setup on the car? Just ballpark. What are we looking at?
A little over 1200. Ported 2.7 blower. It's got bigger injectors, bigger fuel pump. Running a fully built trans, fully built rear end with a sleeve, carbon one-piece drive shaft, 2,000 horsepower axles.
Nice, nice, nice. So this is something you just drive to work?
This is a true daily. AC, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, stereo, all the amenities.
Real street car.
Real street car.
And yet some of the daily guys be afraid of the setups like this.
Absolutely.
And I've heard you put in work on the streets here in the 405?
Yeah. We haven't really seen a set of taillights yet, so I'm hoping to see it now.
Oh, he's undefeated, y'all. He's undefeated. What made you want to get a car like this?
It's something nobody does, man. You know, everybody sees a Hellcat and it's either stock or popping or throwing flames, where I ain't really seen too many of them, especially in Oklahoma, that are built ready to run. I mean, it's a 4,600 pound car.
So you always wanted one? You were always
a
fan?
This is the dream car, man. It was always a dream. You just got to make it a reality sometimes.
I like that. So this is your dream car and you're out here just enjoying it, enjoying the racing.
Yep, absolutely.
That's awesome, dude. That's awesome. The car got a name?
Yeah, I call it the Purple Blair.
The Purple Blair. Hell yeah, dude. And you got Facebook, Instagram, IG, anywhere people can follow you?
Absolutely, yeah. We are the owners and co-founders of Savage Performance. We have a group here in Oklahoma City. We're kind of all about run what you brung, and we don't really care. We'll race anytime, any place.
I like it. I like it. I like it. Well, hell yeah, man. Let's get out there. Let's see the car make a hit, man. Let's see what she can do.
Let's get it on.
No, but on a serious note, you'll just make your pass. When you make your pass, we'll turn back around. And we'll come right back over here.
Well, I mean, instead all would be easier if you just ride with me.
I'm not getting in the car, bro.
No, you're gonna get in the car.
I just do the filming.
No, you're gonna get in the car. Let's do a hit.
Do a hit, bro.
Do a hit, dude.
Kyle Loftus style, get in the car with him. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. All right. Don't get me killed, man.
Absolutely.
This is the first time I get in the car with somebody else. Woo! Oh damn, bro.
How was that, Richard?
Bro, nasty. I haven't felt horsepower in a minute, so that was pretty legit. I ain't gonna lie, that was pretty dope. It's still on fire. Damn, bro, that's gonna be the intro right there. That shit's still on fire, bro. Damn, that was a spicy hit.
There's more crown.
So I've done enough test hits on this right lane to where I know which mode to turn it to, and we'll get down through there. It just don't have as much power until the 60 foot, and then it starts drawing power in.
A clean pass is a fast pass.
Yeah.
Fast is smooth and smooth is fast. Yeah, that was dope, man. That was dope.
A little bit different, right?
Yeah, that was cool. That was cool. I liked it, man.
We got it about 120 something, and he was like, "Whoa!"
I mean, and so if for anybody watching, man, I mean, like a setup like this, about how much money you got put into a car in a daily aspect to get it to this level?
Like 140, 150.
140, 150, man. Damn. That's
make it dailyable and still have the horsepower to play with the big boys.
Damn. Damn, dude, that's insane. I mean, it's all there. It's definitely all there.
It runs. When shit grabs, it's a whole nother animal.
No, yeah. Shit.
How's that?
Nah, that was dope. That was dope, man. That was cool.
It's a whole different monster.
Hey, you know what's funny is I brought a helmet just in case he forgot his. I didn't know I was gonna be putting the fucker on. Hey man, I really appreciate you giving us the
Absolutely.
opportunity.
I appreciate
man.
you giving me the chance to let you ride.
Nah, bro, this is dope, man. This is definitely a badass machine, dude. It literally set the streets on fire.
This is true.
I like it, man.
Yeah, she's got a little bit more work. We're planning for a ported Kong blower and full cam, and then retune, and then we're also gonna add 150 shot of nitrous for the back half.
Damn, yeah, on the big end.
Yeah, so it'll be roughly about 1,800 when we're done.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, with the nitrous shot, it'll be reaching around 2K. So.